Hannah here, and today I've got this Minnie Mouse polka dot yacht, and it's for ages 2+, so that means it's suitable for you younger children. Guys, this playset comes with one exclusive Minnie Mouse, and I've also brought along some of my other Mickey Mouse figures. And this one's Donald Duck, and this one's Pluto the dog, this one's Daisy the duck, Minnie Mouse and Mickey Mouse. Here's the back of the box, and on the back of the box it just shows you some of the cool things you can do with this playset. I'm super excited to open this up. Let's open it! Here's everything all out of the box. Here's my exclusive Minnie, and her legs can move so she can sit down. And it also actually comes with an exclusive chair, table with 2 cups on and some sunglasses, and an exclusive surfboard at the back. And an exclusive rubber ring. And that's actually Minnie's bed, because there's a pillow there and it looks like there's a mattress. So that looks really comfy. And the surfboard can come out like that. And there's wheels on the bottom so you can pretend that it's on real water. Okay, let's start playing. I'm just going to get some water because there's a little scramble, so let's just move the slide because it can move. Then fill it all up. There. I've also got a bowl filled with water for when Minnie and her friends go down the diving board. Let's just pull that out and put it on top, like that. So this is going to be fun. Okay, let me just get Minnie's friends. And Minnie is going to steer the ship. And now she's going to call for her friends. Minnie, Pluto, Daisy, Mickey. Woof, woof. Pluto went down the slides. Now he's all wet. Now he's going to go off this diving board. And now Minnie would like to go down the slide. Whee! Now Minnie can relax in the pool. Now Daisy wants to come on the ship and relax and have some drinks, because it's a really hot day. Now Mickey's coming on the ship and saying hello to Minnie. Hello Minnie. And now Mickey's just going to go up the elevator because he wants to steer the ship while everyone's having some fun. And these are some steps so you can go down to the chair. And that's the steering wheel. And the ship can rock. Whoops, the rubber ring fell out. Now Pluto wants to come out of the water. And he wants to come up here. And now Minnie wants to go into this pool with her rubber ring. So she's going to bounce in with her rubber ring on. But her feet can't fit in. So she's going to have to do it like this. Whee! It does float, but not when Minnie's on it. So we can just pretend she's on it. Whee! Now she wants to go for a little swim underwater. And I think someone wants to go onto the surfing board. Who wants to go on the surfing board? I think Donald wants to go on the surfing board. So I think Minnie has to get out. And she can just dry off on her bed. So just put her in and lay her down. And she's laying on one of her pillows because she's got two for one of her friends. So if you move that, one of her friends can lay like that. Cool. Okay, now Donald's going on to the surfing board. Shh. Looks like Donald's having a lot of fun. Whee! Now he's going on the diving board. Now that was a big splash. Now that Minnie's dry and she's put her clothes on, she's all dressed. So she's not in her wet clothes. Now Minnie's just going to have a little relax. And Daisy just wants to have a turn on the slide. Whee! Because Daisy's not really been in the pool. And look, the pool shaped has a love heart and Minnie's bow. And there's lots of little faces that looks like Minnie and Mickey. And here's a big hole for Minnie's bows. Because she's the captain of the ship. Bye bye everyone, thanks for coming. Bye bye Minnie. Now Minnie's going to bed. Okay guys, that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed my video and can you please like, comment and subscribe to my channel. See you guys soon. Bye!